Hi, this is Culinary Cam. We are making a CHIVITO, the national sandwich of Uruguay and a high-protein South American favorite with steak, peppers, ham, cheese, egg, and bacon. I made my own pan blanco, but you can use your favorite Mexican bread. Okay, marinate the skirt steak in red wine, soy sauce, vinegar, black pepper, garlic. Sesame oil and seeds aren't traditional, but I love them. Melt some butter in a pan. Start warming up your ham and cheese. Throw your steak to brown on one side. Your cheese is getting there. Let's flip that steak to finish it off. The cheese is perfect. Or better for the eggs, sunny side so we can get that yolk flavor. Okay, now to build the CHIVITO. Bread, spicy mayo, steak, roasted peppers, bacon, ham and cheese, egg, and bread. This is a meat lover's delight. I struggled a little with the size, but that means it's perfect for all you carnivores out there. Typically served with potatoes on the side, I chose pickled cabbage and a dill pickle. Go to culinarycam.com for more recipes and inspiration. Enjoy!